What's the meaning of call up? Call up. Call up.
Call up. Call up. Call up is a term used to describe the act of summoning someone to perform a service, often related to military duty or a sports team. The result of a call-up can vary depending on the context in which it is used. In the case of military call-ups, individuals may be required to undergo training and serve in active duty for a certain period of time. In the context of sports, call-ups may refer to the promotion of a player from a lower-level team to a higher-level team. Overall, a call-up is a summons to perform a specific task or duty, and the ultimate result will depend on the nature of that task or duty.